Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.
Hold on. Then one more. Last. No. Come here.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, that was Arnold Schwarzenegger and he was attacked at an South African event, you see me? In South Africa, of course, you see. The first thing people start to say when they hit social media and reach all over the place online, people start to say, yo, white have to be a black man, like, for real, you see me? But however, no watch no face. Anyways, Arnold Schwarzenegger says that it felt like it was the crowd that pushed him because however I'm used to it, you see me? Arnold Schwarzenegger barely stumbled while this man pitched on the ground and, you know, like, pitched on the ground, you see me? Now, honestly, me did think that it was a child when we see it at first, but I couldn't believe it that it was a big grown man that do these things. You see me I say, and it make life show you certain things. But things like them are gonna show me something. Say, yo, you have to be careful when time you're a star. You know, the bigger you be as a star, you have to just be careful because people just, there's something wrong with people towards you being a star. I'm not saying that everyone is like this, but it's like some people just will have the wrong idea or maybe the wrong thinking about you, or you know, might just don't like something you do or what. But you know, that's the thing, you know. So you have to just be careful about it. You see me I say, you know, things are not easy while you're out there as a star. So you know the thing go already. But anyways, you don't know, say me only bring to you a hot pan social media, and this is what hot pan social media right now. Arnold Schwarzenegger being attacked in South Africa event. You see me I say? And yeah, you know, it's just like all over the place. But anyways, I don't know the thing go already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click subscribe button, leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this way just see at the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself. You see it?